I am at 320 Hogue today. It's in Wylie. It's in Woodbridge, so the Wylie side of Woodbridge. It is Garland ISD. It's a 3 bedroom, two full bath, two-car garage. This home was built by Megatel, and they're notorious for their furniture finish out on all their cabinetry. This home is just luxury and warmth, and best of all, I cannot wait to show you. It's on a green belt that backs up to a pond. So it's just like sitting on the back porch. You're privately sitting in your own nature reserve. Come take a look.